How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is David.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
How old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy.
Where do you work?
I work at a hotel.
What time is it?
It is 5 o'clock.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
Can I have the bill? Please.
Sure, here you are.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What is your job?
Currently I am unemployed.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy traveling.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to the beach.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Can you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 9 a.m.
Are you busy right now?
No, I'm not busy.
Would you like some coffee?
No, thank you.
What's your phone number?
It's 678878098.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I like English.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you are.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 3 languages.
What's your favorite season?
I like autumn.
How much does this cost?
It's 1,000.
What's your shoe size?
It's 9.
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, there's one across the street.
Where did you learn English?
I learned it at school.